Hey, what's up guys? Abe here of Yugatech, and are you up for something new? Today we are unboxing a budget phone from Tecno, the Tecno POVA Neo. If you're excited to find out more about this budget smartphone, then let's go! So, we have our trusty cutter to start off the unboxing. Right out of the box is the phone itself, and we have a gel case for added protection. Looks like it will fit the phone just right. Then we have the info and warranty card coming along with a special badge. Gotta keep that one. But wait, there's more. We also get an 18-watt fast charging brick, the earphones, definitely a must-have accessory, the micro USB charging cable, sorry USB Type-C fans. But anyway, here we have a SIM tray ejector, a necessity for phones like this. As you can see, the POVA Neo has a simple yet elegant design. The frame is completely plastic. Sporting a textured design, it seems to be less prone to fingerprints and smudges. The POVA Neo comes in 3 colors: Obsidian Black, Geek Blue, and Powy High. The last one means embellished dark. And our review unit is in the Obsidian Black color. Going back, it has nothing much on top. On the right side, you can see the volume rocker and the power button. On the left, we have the SIM tray. And below, we have the microphone, the speaker, the micro USB port, and the 3.5mm port for the audio jack. Up front, we are greeted by the huge 6.8 IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 1640 by 720 pixels. And it also has a splash-resistant frame. It may not be entirely waterproof, but it would likely hold on its own against accidental drops or sprinkles. Please do not try this intentionally though. Turning on the phone, we can see the iOS 7.6 based on Android 11 greeting us. It has a number of pre-installed apps available, and if you have used a Tecno phone before, the interface can be a familiar sight. Powering the POVA Neo is a MediaTek Helio P22 chipset. This is an octa-core processor clocking in at 1.8 GHz. The GPU is a PowerVR GE8320, and it has 4GB of RAM with 1GB memory extension with the 64GB storage, expandable up to 256GB via the micro SD card. With a 6000 mAh battery, you can expect it to support your daily grind. This, combined with the large display, might make the phone feel relatively heavy to the hand. The POVA Neo supports 4G connectivity, Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth 5.0. Behind the phone is the fingerprint scanner and the dual 13-megapixel cameras, although the design here makes it look like you are having 3. Beside them is the LED flash. At the front, you have an 8-megapixel selfie camera. And guess what? 2 LED flashes. Talk about being in the spotlight. For an entry-level smartphone, you can have good hopes that the POVA Neo will deliver for its price. If what you need is a large display, maybe for attending virtual meetings, watching YouTube or Netflix, and that massive battery capacity, then this may be just the one for you. The Tecno POVA Neo is now available in stores with a suggested retail price of $5,999. You can check the link in the description section below if you want to grab one today. Well, that's it for our unboxing and initial hands-on. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and click that bell button to be notified whenever we upload new videos. Also, check out yugatech.com for more technology news and reviews. Once again, this is Abe, and I will see you in the next video.